Welcome to ePlatform. In this quick video, we'll show you how you can use the Notes and Highlights feature to support study, revision, and lesson planning.
If you're not sure about a word, select it and click Define to see its meaning. It's great for ESOL. Or you could choose Search to find other places that word appears in the book. This helps students understand context or find related passages quickly. While reading an ebook, drag to select a word, sentence, or paragraph. Then click Highlight to mark up and color code your notes to organize by theme or subject. If you want to add a comment, type your note and click Save. This is perfect for marking key quotes for exams, ideas that need further thought, or themes you need to explore. All your notes and highlights are saved to your account automatically. Click the notepad icon in the top corner to view everything you've marked within the book, all in one place, ready for study or revision. To find your notes and highlights, go to your Loans page. In the account box, you'll see all of your notes and highlights. There's unlimited space, so your notes will remain on your account indefinitely until you choose to delete them. It's perfect for exam prep and a teacher planning tool. When you're done, you can export your notes and highlights to share or print. Teachers can use this to create lesson plans, note thoughts down of future titles to study, and students can access all their study notes even after returning the book. And that's it! Use notes and highlights to make reading more interactive, organize your work, and offers the alternative of eBooks as an individual or class study option.